With just over a month to go until the Olympic Games, public health measures are being intensified in major traffic centers. Yang Shanshan takes us to see a bird flu emergency drill at the Capital International Airport in Beijing.
Terminal 3 is on alert. The airport is testing its bird flu emergency plan. The infrared sensors detect a high fever, and the quarantine inspectors immediately send the man for a medical check. Records show the man came from a bird flu-affected area. With 39-degree temperature, he is to be quarantined. The decision is reported up the chain, and the emergency plan goes into action. Within minutes, disinfection begins, and the man is transferred to the hospital. Dogs are brought in to help inspect the luggage, and those who had close contact with the patient are given protection tips.
We have set up line emergency plans. Once a contingency happens, they will be started immediately.
Bird flu is a matter of concern for the whole world. Experts say the best defense is a high level of awareness. Friday's drill is meant to improve the defense mechanism and ensure a safe environment for the coming Olympics. Yang Shanshan, CCTV.